Welcome back to TechKidFX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Here on the 1-hour chart, we have also been able to print this long wick to the lower side, which is an indication that the sellers are losing momentum and the buyers are trying to get a little bit stronger. And you can see that after the print of this long wick to the lower side, the market has been on an uptrend where we have been seeing a bit of a run up in a move that is now trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. Also taking a look at the Elliot structures, we have continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that after seeing our low on the 23rd of March, we started this massive run up to the upside, having this 5-wave structure, having the wave 5, giving us a peak at around the $0.1746 mark, and also completing the formation of that first wave. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area. And I was able to come up with the target area by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, and that gave me a minimum retracement area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And having managed to get into the minimum retracement area, there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2, and we are now ready for that massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. But because of the latest breakdowns that have been happening in the markets, we need to have in mind that there are high chances that GRT might give us one more leg down within this blue target area. And whatever we have here on the charts, we can term it as an ABC corrective structure, having that as the wave A, then a wave B. And in case the further breakdown continues, there are high chances of putting in place one more leg down in that wave C to give us a new low in the formation of this wave 2 before we can start that massive pump to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. So that is what you can expect here on the GRT chart on the short-term scenarios. In case further breakdown continues, we have the chances of seeing one more leg down within this blue target area before we can start our massive run up to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. But in case we see a reversal from the current prices that we are trading within and see a massive pump to give us a break above these swing highs at around the $0.1758 mark, then that will be enough confirmation of the start of a massive run up to the upside in the formation of that wave 3. And that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios, and giving you the long-term outlook, basing it on the Elliot structures. After seeing our bear market low down there, we started that massive pump in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.2325 mark in what I'm terming as that first wave. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that bottomed out within this red target area. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And it is these micro Elliott wave counts within the formation of this wave 3 that have just given me the short-term scenarios here on the GRT chart. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 47 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.